Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a sign-up form in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Start by logging into your AWeber account. From the dashboard, find and click on the Pages and Forms option in the main navigation menu. This section is where you can manage your landing pages and sign-up forms. In the Pages and Forms area, click on Sign Up Forms. This will take you to a page where you can view your existing forms and create new ones. Click on the Create New Sign Up Form button. This action will open the form builder where you can design your new sign up form. You will be prompted to select where you want to create the form, either on a landing page hosted by AWeber or directly on your own website. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Give your form a descriptive name. This name will help you identify the form later in your AWeber account. Now you can customize your form to match your brand and style. You can add various elements such as text, images, borders, and more. AWeber offers a variety of pre-designed templates that you can choose from. Select a template that fits your vision and customize it further if needed. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your form. This allows you to see how it will look to potential subscribers. Once you are satisfied with the design and content of your form, click the Publish button to save your changes. Your form will now be live and ready to collect subscriber information. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.